Day 3 of 365 Gold Asia Journal. Let's look at the tape. 2 days in a row, the journal is flashing red. Yesterday was an emotional mistake. Today was a purely technical failure. I marked the wrong 50% range on the higher time frame, and the market made me pay for it. Accountability means exposing the mechanical flaws just as much as the psychological ones. Let's break down exactly how drawing a Fibonacci tool on the wrong data points ruins a setup, and how we are pivoting the entry model tomorrow. Let's step into the hourly chart. The core of this strategy relies on isolating the true structural swing. Today, I failed to do that. When defining the range to find my 50% entry, I included the last 2 hourly candles in my measurement. I marked a much wider, longer range instead of focusing strictly on the closest, most aggressive structural displacement. Why does this matter? Because institutional volume prices its entries off the true origin of the impulse, not the consolidation noise at the end of it. By including those extra 2 candles, I dragged my 50% entry level to the wrong price point. What happened next? Price retraced, tapped the actual structural 50% level perfectly, and melted to the target. Because my zone was incorrectly marked, the price never came to my limit order. The frustration of watching the real move play out without me led to a bad execution, resulting in a completely unnecessary 1% loss. Data is only useful if you act on it. 3 days into this challenge, the market is giving me clear feedback. My current way of defining the entry range leaves too much room for human error in drawing the zones, so we adapt. Starting tomorrow, on day 4, I am implementing a different entry model. We are refining the trigger criteria to remove the ambiguity of those hourly wicks. If a rule is causing unforced errors, you fix it. This is the reality of building a trading system in broad daylight. Another hit to the capital, but the account survives. We take the lesson, update the mechanics, and come back tomorrow. Process over profits. I will see you then.